excited to get some content for my clients, especially for the ones sailing this summer on the Utopia, the biggest weekend.
Looking forward to seeing this ship firsthand because I have a lot of clients that love this.
Excited to see the adult area and see what it has to offer.
I'm looking forward to walking through the different neighborhoods. I think that's a really unique aspect to Royal Caribbean.
I'm excited to see the water slides, and I'm really excited to see Ultimate Abyss for the very first time.
Looking forward to checking it out, seeing the neighborhoods. I think that's a really cool concept.